Hey friends, welcome. It's been a while, eh? And what better way to get back into the stride of things than try and help out a fellow subscriber. So, Chrissy has been having problems rigging up a Crossfire Nano to the board that's in my tadpole, which I've previously dealt with a few problems, videos on my channel. Long story short, couldn't get a Crossfire Nano working on it, so I've got a FreeSky RXSR in here, and I've been meaning to put a Crossfire radio system on it for quite a while. So what a better way to get back on my horse. Spring's upon us, so flight season. I'm going to crack into this and see how we get on. Right, that's all soldered in. Had to do some skullduggery. Crsf, TX and RX, 5 volt and ground to there. But because of the limited UARTs and everything on here, and I want to get smart audio away from the bit bang issue that Betaflight had, you can run smart audio out of one of the 3rd or 4th channels. That's what I've done. Just double checking that everything's alright. Yeah. Put this in bind mode and see if we get it bound up. Don't have any of the configuration done on there, that's still set up for F port. Get it bound and then I'll go into Betaflight and jiggle it around, put it in bind. This should go into bind mode. Well, update the micro RX, yes, that's bound straight away. Receiver's updating. Loading, don't interrupt it, bound. Record with desktop.
Telemetry lost.
Recording. Okay, connect. Make some space for the mouse. Right, configuration. Ports. UART2 is still the serial RX, that's fine. We can disable soft serial because we're no longer going to need that, so that can go away. Spec based F port to Crossfire. Save and reboot. Let's see if that's taken. Configuration. Crossfire. Right. Receiver tab. Probably be fail safed. Now if we apply a battery.
Telemetry recovered.
And we are getting throttle, aileron, pitch, yaw. Okay, all I've got to do is just juggle that about a little bit. That should be fine. So, they are Chrissy. That's it, wired straight into my Iflight Succex micro. Don't understand why it's not working for you. There is an R2 and an R2. I've got it wired to be R2 here and the T2. Well, that's how I've got it wired. R2 to channel 1, T2 to channel 2. Package this up. Okay, this is all back together. Packaged in there, secure. Mini mortal on the back. Power it up.
Telemetry recovered.
Going to the TBS Agent Light. The VTX is running smart audio direct from the Crossfire Nano. That's all working. Verified it and changed all the channels and stuff. Betaflight setup. All I did was enable telemetry on the configuration screen. That's all working. Rates, yeah, all working. Absolutely fine. Well, with that, I'm a bit surprised that you can't get your flight controller working with a Crossfire Nano, Chris. No idea. You said you flashed it with Betaflight and Iflight. All I did was hook it up, change the serial RX protocol from F port to Crsf, and work straight away. Anyway, catch you later. Take care.
Here, fella. Hey.